Hey guys, I'm finishing up a few things in the nursery today, and the project I'm working on is to remove these gold dummy doorknobs and replace them with these glass dummy doorknobs. And I found it to be just a little bit tricky because they don't have visible screws. So I wanted to show you quickly how you can remove this type of doorknob. Okay, so here is what I'm dealing with. You can see there is this little tab right here. And that tab basically just needs to be pushed in with some kind of a little screwdriver. And then once it's pushed in, the doorknob should slide right off. So that's what we're going to do first. There it goes. Okay, so doorknob is off. Next step is to remove this little plate right here. And that is called a rosette. And you basically are just going to use a flathead screwdriver. And I am also using this little microfiber cloth behind the screwdriver just to make sure that I don't mar up my door in the process of removing this. And just get it under there and jiggle that free. Alright, that's off. Now that that is done, we have our screws visible now. And one thing to point out is there's actually another screw down inside here, and we'll also have to remove that one, but I'm going to take these off first. So now that those are off, the screw in here is attached to the other side of the doorknob, so we need to remove that as well. How you remove it. We'll repeat it on the other side, and then that doorknob will be completely off.